Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by taking control. You must inventory assets, dependencies, and exposed endpoints so you know what to protect. Next, enforce authentication immediately. Enable MFA and strong session policies to reduce account risk. At the same time, harden configurations, remove development secrets, enable HTTPS, and add secure headers like HSDS and CSB so browsers help block attacks. Once these basics are in place, record them in your checklist and prepare to run automated scans as the next step. Now implement layered protections. Integrate SAST and DAST into CI so you catch issues early, and schedule dependency checks to flag vulnerable libraries. Apply least privilege across services and enforce role separation. Scope tokens and keys narrowly so a leak has limited blast radius. For app logic, validate and sanitize all inputs, use parameterized queries to stop injection, and encode outputs to prevent cross-site scripting. Once these are running, monitor alerts and tune rules so false positives drop. Finish by operationalizing security. Centralize logs, forward to a SIEM or monitoring tool, and create incident playbooks so you can act quickly when alerts fire. Keep a disciplined patching cadence with canary deployments and post-deploy security tests to catch regressions. Ensure backups are encrypted and restores are tested so you recover reliably. If something breaks, first isolate the component, rotate credentials, and follow the incident playbook. This reduces scope and helps you root cause issues without making things worse.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.